I was sent these face masks, so let's put them on and I'll tell you a little bit more about them as well. So I have 4 different ones. I'm gonna do the Moisture Up one with honey. So this one's good for repairing and moisturizing. So I'm gonna open it up here. You've got a little tab there. And then this is what the sheet looks like as it comes out. They're very goopy, like any sheet mask is when they first come out. And you have to be kind of careful with it too. There we go. Once you see the face, now you peel off the back here. What's really cool is these are made of egg whites and egg yolks, which I think is awesome. Okay. And then you just put it right on your face and you look kind of creepy. So FYI, I'm going to look very creepy here. So here we go. So line up my nose and my eyes. Ooh, it's very soothing. Okay, and then we got to find the mouth area. And you just adjust it to your face, kind of pushing it down as you go. Feels really nice on. And I like that it stays on too. Sometimes they like slide off your face. This one seems like it has really good staying power. Move that so I can talk to you guys more. We're gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So while it's doing its job, I'll tell you a little more about the different ones. So the one with aloe here, this one's really good for hydrating and soothing. And then the brightening one has lemon in it. That's gonna help brighten up your face and also firm it. And then I have the one on here with honey to moisturize. And this one has a long word, nicotinamide. I'm probably saying that wrong, but this helps with toning and anti-dark spots. So you do have lots of options when it comes to these face masks. You can get one of everything, or you could pick what you want to focus on. And then you just leave it on. You can go about your, laundry or anything you have to do around your house while you're getting ready, because like I said, you can see it stays on my face. I'm even able to talk while it's on, or you could just like chill out, relax, and enjoy 15 to 20 minutes of just some quiet time while you have your mask on. So lots of options there, and I will be back in just a little bit to take this off. Okay, we're ready for the after. Let's take it off. Ooh. So then anytime you do a face mask, you usually have some extra. Just kind of rub that in, or you can use a washcloth and take it off. It's really up to you. I like to get the extra hydration, so I just like rub it in and then kind of take it down my neck a little bit. It actually feels very, very soothing. And now you have glowing skin. These are awesome.